Hello and welcome to our video support for our step-by-step consultation guidelines for parents. In this first video, we're going to look at online consultation, an easy, accessible way to gather parents' voices, whether those parents are at home, at work, or on the go. So these videos are designed to be used in conjunction with our step-by-step guideline. So what we want to do in this first video is show you the technical side of a successful online consultation. So we're going to go through 7 different chapters. The first one is how to register participants securely. The second one is ways to share invitations. Then it's setting up your online session, sending reminders to boost attendance, testing your platform in advance, and using different input methods to include everyone. And finally, how to choose the right platform for your consultation. First, create a registration link using Microsoft Forms, which is GDPR compliant. Select New Form. Add a title, description, and any questions you need. Choose the question type. For example, you can select multiple choice. Write your question and list the answer options. Add as many questions as you like. Next, share the word. Invitations could be sent by email, maybe a school WhatsApp group, or social media. You can also print posters or flyers for notice boards in schools, libraries, health centres, or anywhere like that. The more accessible your invitation, the broader your reach. Once your form is ready, you press copy the link and you copy it into your invitation email. That's it. Offer simple registration. Create a link to the online session using Zoom. Once your Zoom account is set up, navigate to Meetings and click on the Schedule a Meeting. Enter the meeting topic, the name and the description. Select a date, time, and duration for the meeting. Just to note, in the free version of Zoom, the maximum meeting duration is 40 minutes. You can generate the meeting ID automatically or use your personal ID. Change the passcode if needed and allow the host admission into the meeting once they enter the waiting room. Press Save to finalise and note the meeting details. You can copy the invitation link to share with participants. Send a reminder a day before the event and ideally another just before the event starts. If you use Outlook, it will usually add the event to calendars and trigger reminders on devices. Send a reminder on Outlook. First, open your Outlook app and switch to Calendar by clicking the calendar icon at the bottom left of the screen. Then click on New Event at the top left corner to open a new event window, where you can enter all the details such as the date, the time, and a link for the consultation. To receive a reminder before the event, use the Reminder drop-down to select when you want Outlook to notify you. Options include 15 minutes, an hour, or even a day in advance. If you want to invite others, click on Invite Attendees and then add their email addresses. Finally, click Save and Close for personal events or Send if you've already added the attendees. So once you're in the meeting, you might want to invite other participants. So go to participants, copy the invitation, and then send it out to whoever you need. When you're in the meeting, then monitor for incoming participants. And I'm going to show you the other features that are available in Zoom, such as chat, reactions, screen sharing, captions, and whiteboards. So as participants join, you have the option to mute them, promote them to host, rename, or mute all if necessary. Encourage people to use the chat facility where it's applicable. Use reactions such as raising hands or liking a comment. Breakout rooms can be created in multiple numbers, and you can assign participants either automatically, manually, or allow them to choose their groups. You can also move participants between rooms and close the rooms at your discretion. The whiteboard feature offers various tools on the left, and you can share and save the whiteboard for later use. Captions can be enabled in different languages, for example, Spanish or Polish, for better accessibility. To share your screen or specific documents, select the appropriate option. After the meeting, you can save the chat by pressing Save Chat and see where the folder is located. To leave the meeting, simply press the cross icon and select End Meeting. When deciding between Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet, it really comes down to what matters most for your needs. With Zoom and Google Meet, you can join a meeting without even creating an account, while Teams requires you to sign in. If breakout rooms are important to you, Zoom can offer them for free, unlike Google Meet. But all three platforms are easy to use, browser-based, and come with built-in captions, so accessibility is covered. If you're hosting a larger group, both Teams and Zoom tend to perform better. Zoom and Google Meet also integrate directly with your calendar, making scheduling straightforward. When it comes to extra features, Zoom is the only platform that offers free recording, while Teams is the only one with free transcription. As for free plans, Zoom has a full 40-minute time limit unless you upgrade, whereas Google Meet and Teams don't impose that restriction. Thank you for watching our video on online group consultations. I hope this tech support was helpful to you. We've got a different video for each method of consultation, so just check if there's anything else that we can help with. Thank you.